Hi beautiful people, if you love to see how I achieve this protective natural hairstyle, keep watching, do not skip. The hair is washed already guys, so what I'm trying to do here, I'm trying to section the hair. So this is me trying to section the hair. After sectioning it, the back is more than the front. Then I secured the front parts while I begin to cornrow the back. And this is the outcome of the cornrow. Can you see guys? So guys, in this tutorial is a kind of protective natural hairstyle, and you guys will love the outcome. Just keep watching, do not skip. So this is the front part. Yes, this is where we are going to guys. I'm trying to cornrow the front, like to give it a beautiful pattern. Can you see? This is just the natural hair, and that's what I'm working with. So this design is a kind of design I can't really explain to you, but you guys just need to watch it yourself. So after the pattern, the design parts, I try to braid one at the middle just to add more beauty to the cornrow. Yeah, and that's what I'm actually doing here. Please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe. And for my returning subscribers, thank you so very much for always tuning into this channel. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you all. Without you guys, there's nothing like Queen Aniki. Thank you so very much. And if today is your first time watching any of my video, kindly hit subscribe button to join the family. Turn your notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. So guys, that's how I keep going with this lovely cornrow. Can you see guys? So I don't really know how to explain these parts, but just watch yourself. You guys will understand what I'm doing. So this kind of pattern is a kind of pattern that looks like 7-7, but not really 7-7. So I don't know how to explain it. Just watch it. Can you see guys? So this hairstyle, I'll be using king to achieve it. Yes, king. I use series, and I'm going to use 2 pack to achieve this lovely hairstyle because my client actually wants it very full. Yes, if you want it full, and if your client doesn't want it, depend on how your client wants it. But this particular one, my client actually wants it very full. Yes, so that's how I keep going with this lovely hairstyle. Please guys, let me know in the comment section if you guys love this hairstyle, and if this video is helpful to you, please go ahead and give the video big thumbs up. Leave a comment in the comment section. Share to your friends and family. As you all know, sharing is part of caring. Yes, this 2024, we no go gree. Yeah, we no go gree for anybody. That's the slang for 2024. So guys, that's how I keep going with this lovely cornrow. Can you see guys? So after the pattern, so I proceed braiding just one at the middle, just to add more beauty to the pattern. Yes, and that's what I'm doing. Please guys, please, I'm begging you guys, please watch ads. That's the only way you can appreciate your girl. Yeah, please watch ads. You see guys, that's how I keep going with this lovely hairstyle. And this hairstyle, this kind of hairstyle, is a kind of hairstyle that doesn't break your front hair. Mostly if you are on natural hair and you are looking for simple and protective natural hairstyle, then this hairstyle is for you. So guys, after when I'm done with the cornrow, I'll go ahead and begin to work on the other one, and this is me trying to fix the back. So all what you need to use to fix the back is just your crochet pin, as you can see guys. So you use your crochet pin just to fill in the gaps, like you use the crochet pin to pass the king across the cornrow. And now I'm done with the crocheting parts, like I'm done with the fixing. Can you see guys? So after when I'm done, I just go ahead and I begin to trim the hair because We just want the hair to look more natural, so and that's why I'm trying to cut it, like to trim it to make it look real, as if it's a natural hair. Can you see, guys? So as you're trimming it, make sure you are using your hand to pull it out so that you'll be able to trim it well and everything will be equal, so that you won't trim one part more than the other side. Are you getting me, guys? So you just use your hand to pull it out well. So after when you are done trimming it, you just go ahead and you spray water on it, then you apply your leave-in conditioner, because we really want to make the hair to look more real, like real natural hair. You guys will see the outcome. So I just take much of my time trimming the hair. As you can see, it's not something you trim once, so you take your time to trim it. As you're trimming it, you're using your hand to amend it, just to make sure everything is perfect. Can you see, guys? So after when I'm done trimming the hair, like I said earlier, I go ahead and sprinkle water on it. You can also use your spray bottle if you have your spray bottle, but this one I just use my hand. And this is the leave-in that I'm applying TCB leave-in conditioner. Yes, it's a treatment. Let me know if you have ever used this treatment before. Let me know in the comment section. It's actually good. So after applying the leave-in, you just use your hand to pull it out well, then you do the final trimming. After the final trimming, you are done. Can you see? And this is the final trimming I'm actually doing here. So guys, I go ahead and pull the bead, and this is the final look of the hairstyle. Thank you so much, guys, and I will see you in my next tutorial. Let me know if you love the video. Give the video a big thumbs up, share to your friends and family. Can you see, my clients actually love the hair? Yes, thank you so much, guys. I love you. Bye bye.